Spain's freeze-drying equipment industry showcases its industrial strength. With fine craftsmanship and strict quality control, manufacturers here turn out high-quality freeze-drying equipment at low prices. These machines hold a key spot in the domestic market and are exported globally, earning trust worldwide. Spanish freeze-drying equipment suppliers prioritize quality and innovation. They follow international standards to ensure safety, while investing in R&D, often partnering with research bodies. Progress in energy efficiency, eco-friendly refrigerants, and smart controls has boosted their products' competitiveness. The industry's success also lies in after-sales service. Companies offer full support, installation, commissioning, training, maintenance. This timely help keeps customers satisfied and loyal, making Spain's freeze-drying equipment a standout in global manufacturing.